Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna. If you follow my channel, you probably noticed I skipped a week on my videos, which I really haven't done in a long time, but with everything that's going on, all the protests, all the injustice, it didn't feel on theme to just post a regular vlog. Still doesn't, but I obviously don't want to neglect my channel. I have been educating myself. I've been signing petitions, taking every measure in my power because I'm still self-isolating, supporting in any way that we can. We are donating, signing petitions, etc. I don't want this vlog to come across as me not being aware of what's happening, me trying to ignore what's happening, which is not at all what's happening here. I still want to keep you guys updated on what's going on, even if in the big scheme of things it's not what matters. I'm going to list on the description some petitions you guys can sign and where to donate, etc.
Slow down.
Social distancing walk for Maggie. It's been raining like every day for 2 weeks. We had tried to not take him out for walks just to keep the house clean, etc. And just because he really doesn't like rain, like he tries to stay inside when it's raining, he really doesn't like it. Today we decided we should take him out because the sun came out for a little bit, but now there's puddles everywhere. He makes the funniest walk when there's a puddle, right, Bev? Mm-hmm. Baby trees, the most precious thing ever. They're just so cute. Mikey, you're a giant next to the baby trees. We took Mikey on a long walk and now we're having donuts. That's balance, right, babe?
As all things should be.
Oh, look at my flowers. They're so pretty. Brooke Instacarted them. They're so cute. Aww. Someone likes those ear scratches. Keep doing it. He's like, why you stop? That's so cute. We made a blanket fort in our living room because I've never made a blanket fort in my life and it was in my bucket list. This is so cute. We used the table as a base and now we have all these cushions down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty dark in here. Brock just went to get the camping lights so that we can put some lights in here, but Mikey's loving it. It's like the perfect way to spend Friday night when you can't really do anything or go out. I'm really happy we did this, Pep.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We use our photography tripod as a pillar. Talk about improvements.
Vaulted ceilings.
This is the best house touring experience we've had this week. We've looked at a bunch of houses online. It's weird to look into houses during COVID. Some of them we won't be able to. Oh. I feel like some of them we won't be able to see in person. I'm really concerned about that.
Well, the dog was distracting me.
He likes the blanket fort though. Hide the merchandise. I'm like nervous for them.
Oh my god.
10, 9,
We're going.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA. Go SpaceX. Godspeed, Bob and Doug. America has launched.
Probably somewhere in the next 5 minutes, it falls back down to the Earth, and then before it lands, the rocket uses the leftover fuel to right itself and land. It's nuts. Nobody knows.
What?
SpaceX figured it out, and it looks ridiculous. SpaceX, most of their business is launching just stuff into orbit, and then they just launch payloads into orbit, right? So they like satellites, things of that nature. So when the rocket comes down, you have the base of the rocket, like the big thruster, but there's multiple stages that launch the thing into orbit, and then there's the cone of the rocket as well, and they don't recover every piece. The astronauts are in, I guess they're on the tip of the spacecraft, yes. So that's the Crew Dragon capsule. So in this case, the payload is the astronauts in the capsule. Typically it would be a satellite, but in this case it's this rocket that they're on. So this is a rocket on the right side. It's falling back down to Earth slowly, and as it catches into the atmosphere, it's going to start speeding up a lot. It'll probably start catching fire. Yep, there it is.
And there.
This is the first time America has sent astronauts into space themselves in like the last decade. I just love how chill they look. They're just like, yeah. We're cool. You wish you were us, we know. This is a big ship. This is in the ocean. And they built this floating landing platform boat that catches the rocket.
You're seeing on your screen is a live view of
I am currently packing for a trip to Wisconsin where we're going to do some house hunting. You guys are probably going to see that in our next vlog. And let me know if you want a video on packing. I've been thinking about making one too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to support me and my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100 before my birthday, which is June 14th. So please. I'm now gonna go dye my hair because my roots are showing. Next vlog should be the trip and us choosing a house. So I'm really excited for that. I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe. Love you all. Mwah.